Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel whose name is MyWeb. And guys, in this video I am going to create a logo for our shopping cart or a shopping website. So first of all, we need to install Photoshop in your computer. Okay, if you don't have, so don't worry, you can click on the description and download this logo. Okay, so for creating a logo, I'm creating a new option. For that, click Ctrl+N. This is my Photoshop. Okay, and choose the size of that. Okay, so I think 300 pixel, and that's 70. Okay, now it's a pixel. Okay, and create. Okay, so I think it's good. Okay, I press the Control plus or a minus for that zooming in or zooming out. Now I am going to the Chrome browser. Okay, and type in the google.com/images. Okay, and I'm writing this shopping cart logo in PNG. Okay, and I'm choosing that. Yeah, I think it's good. Okay, now view images and save images and save into the my music folder. Okay, now okay, and drag and drop into the Photoshop. Okay, that's good. Yeah, now I click on that and change the color into the white. Okay, it's white, pure white. Okay, change the size of that. I think, yeah, the name of that. Now I'm change the color into the black, so sorry for that. Okay, my shop. Okay, now select on that and click on this smooth option and increase the size of that. Well, it's a simple basic logo. We don't need to show fashionable and so critical of that. Okay, now I'm going to this background option and click on this lock option. Okay, and again click on this magic toolbar. Okay, now select all the previous background and delete that. Okay, now it's a PNG format. Again I select the my shop option and change the color of that. Okay, as you can see, there is my logo, icon, and here is my text. Okay, if you don't want to create this logo, so you can download from the description link. Okay, okay, again I select this front image. Okay, and yeah, and that's it. Okay, now I click on the right and save as, click on save as and choose the save as type into the PNG format. Okay, and where I save it, so again I'm go to the gem folder. We have htdocs, sorry for that, htdocs, and here is ecom in the images. Now I change the name logo.png. make sure your extension name will be in the .png format. Save it. Yeah, okay, Okay, now I close that, close it, and minimize that. Okay, now let's check into the file explorer. Now we have a my shop, sorry, we have a logo of my shop. So in the next video I will be going to the create a navigation bar where I put this logo into the navigation bar. Okay, show me to soon into the in the next video.